Hello, lovely people. How are we doing today? I hope we are all doing good. You are welcome to Modern Braids Archives YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a classic collection of men's hairstyle ideas. This video will run for more than 8 minutes. The braids in this video comes in different styles and in different forms. It took us about 3 months before we were able to compile these amazing styles for you. If you're a guy on this channel, this is specifically for you. Ladies on this channel can also watch the video and recommend some of the styles to their boyfriends or male friends. If you are interested in any of the styles in the video, you can take a screenshot of it and give it to your hairstylist. as you continue to watch the video, I want us to play this game. I have some riddles here that I want you to try your hands on. If you have an answer to any of the riddles, go down there in the comment section and put down your answers. First riddle. Mary has 4 daughters, and each of her daughters has a brother. How many children does Mary have? Second riddle. Which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers? Third riddle. 3 doctors said that Dave was their brother. Dave also says that he has no brother. How many brothers does Dave actually have? Answers to this riddle can be found at the end of the video and in the description box. If you love this video and you want to see more, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, give us a feedback on the video in the comment section, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching.